डियर स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 12, गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू। आज आप लोगों को द सीक्रेट ऑफ हेल्थ सक्सेस एंड पावर प्रोज का अंडरस्टैंडिंग द टेक्स्ट पढ़ा रहे हैं। एंड आई वंस अगेन रिक्वेस्ट यू टू लर्न द वर्ड मीनिंग रिलेटेड टू दिस लेसन, और वर्ड मीनिंग याद करते रहिए। आइए देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट। Explain with reference to the context the following passages in English। निम्नलिखित गद्यांशों की संदर्भ और प्रसंग सहित व्याख्या कीजिए। नंबर 1, वेयर देयर इज डॉट 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 कैन फीड। अब आइए देखते हैं पैराग्राफ कहाँ है। तो पहले लिखेंगे रेफरेंस। रेफरेंस वी कैन राइट रेफरेंस इन टू वे। द फर्स्ट manner is these lines have been taken from the lesson The Secret of Health, Success and Power, written by James Allen. Second way, this passage has been taken from the lesson The Secret of Health, Success and Power. Context, we can we have to write only one reference and it depends upon which you like. दोनों में से एक ही लिखकर जो आपको अच्छा लगे। तो कॉन्टेक्स्ट में इसमें प्रसंग में उसमें क्या कहना चाह रहा है लेखक, उसी के बारे में। कॉन्टेक्स्ट, जेम्स एलन सेज अबाउट द मेन कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ द हेल्थ इन दिस पैसेज। एक्सप्लेनेशन, द ऑथर सेज दैट वेयर इज फर्म फेथ एंड अनकॉम्प्रोमाइजिंग प्योरिटी, we can get health there, and there is also success too, and there is power too, because of firm determination, good faith and purity. In such a one, disease, failure and disaster can find no lodging. And a person who has these things, it means firm faith, purity and power, a person is beyond from disease, failure and disaster, and there is no staying this thing under him, for there is nothing on which they can feed, and there is nothing which they can feed. It means that these things are not depend over him, because he has good health. So good health is related to faith, uncompromising purity and power. आइए सेकेंड पैसेज देखते हैं। जो इम्पोर्टेंट उसी को ले रहे हैं। नंबर 4, थिंक जॉयफुल डॉट 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 एकिंग जॉइंट्स। अब रेफरेंस आप लोगों को बता दिए हैं, उसी बेस पे जो है वही जो है सब में चलेगा। पोएम है तो उसमें जो स्टैंजा लिखेंगे, और राइटर या आथर की जगह जो पोएट लिखेंगे। एक्चुअली जो है उसमें लेसन नेम और पोएट या राइटर के नेम ही रहता है। अब कॉन्टेक्स्ट इस लाइन को देखते हैं। पैराग्राफ नंबर 4 ये कहाँ है। थिंक जॉयफुल थाट विथ लविंग थाट, लेट द एलेक्सर ऑफ गुडविल कोर्स थ्रू योर। तो यहाँ से लेकर के यहाँ तक है। आइए कॉन्टेक्स्ट, इन दिस लाइन द राइटर हैड डिस्क्राइब्ड अबाउट द आवर गुड थाट्स विच आर रिलेटेड टू आवर हेल्थ। एक्सप्लेनेशन, the writer describes then one must think always joyful thoughts, and he must also think loving thought, and which is something like elixir, a tonic of goodwill to increase his health power and success, and it flows into his veins like a blood, and you will need no other. If you have goodwill loving thought and joyful thought, you will have no need of other medicine, because already you have prevented your health. Put away your jealousy, your suspicion, your worries, and always remember that one must be far from the jealousies, doubts, worries, and anxiety, and hatred, and never he must be involved in selfish indulgences, because these things are the main reason for the breaking down of the health. You will put away your dyspepsia, your biliousness, your nervousness, and aching joints. And if you are forever of joyful thoughts, loving thoughts, and goodwill, remember then that you will throw out all your disease. But if you are follower of suspicion, worries, anxieties, and hatred, you are inviting the dyspepsia, which is a type of liver disease, your biliousness, and it is also a type of kidney, your nervousness related to heart, and aching joints and joint pain. You are inviting your joint pain because of hatred, selfish indulgence, and worries, anxiety, suspicion, and jealousy. आइए नेक्स्ट जो है पैराग्राफ को देखते हैं. Many people पैराग्राफ नंबर 5. Many people break down. ये लाइन यहाँ से है, तो रेफरेंस पहले जैसा ही रहेगा, कॉन्टेक्स्ट में थोड़ा चेंजिंग होगी, देखते हैं उसको. The writer describe in this passage about the breaking down of a health. What are the main reasons to broken down of health of a person? Explanation. Sometimes we find that a man is complaining that his health has been broken down because of overwork, but it is not so. That the routine of his work is not proper. In the majority of such cases, the breakdown is more frequently. And if we have overwork, in such cases we find that breaking down of our health is frequently because we are foolishly wasting our energy. If you would secure health, you must learn to work without friction. And if we want to secure our health, so we must work without any tension, friction, tension. So always remember that one should work without any type of friction or tension. To become anxious or excited or to worry over needless details is to invite a breakdown. If one is anxious or excited, or he is worried over needless things, it means that he is inviting the breakdown of his health. It is sure that his health would be poor, and his body is being a house of disease. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ देखते हैं. अब लेते हैं 9 को. इफ़ यू विल ... राइट रिजल्ट. ये लाइन देखते कहाँ है. तो रेफरेंस पहले जैसा ही रहेगा, बट कॉन्टेक्स्ट में हम थोड़ा चेंजिंग करेंगे. इसमें इन लाइनों में लेखक क्या कहना चाह रहे उसको हम शॉर्ट में एक या दो सिंगल या दो लाइन में लिखते हैं. द ऑथर सेज इन दीज लाइन्स अबाउट द success, failure of the future. Explanation. James Allen says, if one person will become possessed over the faith, it is sure that he will not need to trouble about his future success or failure, because he has a good faith in his work, in his health and his power. So it is sure that he would receive the success, and it is sure success will come. You will not need to become anxious, and it is no necessary to be anxious for him about his success, because already he has good faith in his work, but will work joyfully. Because he will have worked joyfully and peacefully and faithfully, knowing that right thought and right efforts will inevitably bring about the right result. And the man who has worked with firm faith, without the anxiety of failure or success, he is knowing that with his right thought, that right effort, good attempt compulsorily bring about the right result. So right results always depend over the right efforts. आइए नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ को देखते हैं. लेते हैं पैराग्राफ नंबर 11 को. कल्टिवेट देन ... एंड पावर. ये लाइन देखते हैं कहाँ है. Cultivate then this pure and unselfish spirit, and combined with purity and faith, singleness of purpose, and you are evolving from within the element not only of abounding health and enduring success, but of greatness and power. Reference, we have to write the reference only one, as already I told you, two type of reference, and there is some changing in context. So just see the context of this passage. The writer described to cultivate the pure and unselfish spirit in these lines. Explanation. The writer concludes in this line that one must cultivate then this pure faith and unselfish spirit, that a man should have pure by heart, and there should be no selfishness in his spirit, and always he must combine with purity and faith, because most part of the health is depend on purity and faith. And there should be only singleness of purpose. There should be no double purpose, and you are evolving from within the element, because already the man who is working for the success, he is already moving around the elements, not only of abounding health, of enduring success, but of greatness of power. And he is defending his health, getting success related to his work, but of greatness. But not only he is getting this thing, but he is also the part of greatness and power, because he has protected his health. Thanks. Jai Hind.